This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to convert from kilograms to pounds online. So you don't need to download any kind of software. I like to use this site right here, unitconverters.net. You can see the URL right here. It's quite a long URL, so I'll put that as a link in the video description just below this video. So you can just click on that and wind up here, and you don't need to go searching or anything. So from here, all you need to do is enter the kilogram value, and you will get in turn the pound value. So let's say it's 85 kilograms that we're doing. That will immediately convert to 187.39 pounds. You see that does it within seconds. We can clear and we can enter a different value. Let's say the value is 106 kilograms. We have 233.68 pounds. And it's as easy as that. So super helpful site, unitconverters.net. They have all sorts of other common converters and calculators right here on the site. Like I say, you don't need to download any software. You can do this from your cell phone, your mobile phone, from desktop. Just go to this URL, which will be in the video description just below this video. Hopefully you found this video on how to convert from kilograms to pounds online useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.